Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, which market analyst at Hantec markets on Thursday 7th of September. I spoke yesterday about the fact that the market continued to find lows really between 108.10 and 109 figure. Every time we sort of started to close below 109 figure, we got a rebound back above it. And what did we see yesterday? Close below on Tuesday, 108.80, and then a close back above 109 figure yesterday. So is this the sort of market forging lows again, forging support? You look at the momentum indicators, there is a sort of an argument that the sort of medium term momentum has sort of lost impetus to the downside, and with that sort of bull cross on these MACD lines, we could see another sort of a bull kiss potentially if you start to see the support coming in again. So this is an important time, I think, for dollar yen. Really could be important because you've got this sort of trading range between, I suppose, 108.50. I mean 108.45. Is it 108? No, 108.25. But 108.45 was yesterday's low, and that support and 111 figure, with this pivot at 109.80 in the middle. That pivot remains in place as resistance, and now we've got 109.35 as your sort of 50% fib level, acting as the basis of resistance as well. So a break back above 109.35 would bring back into play 109.80 as your sort of mid-range sort of pivot, I suppose you'd say. And this is, as I said, a key level, because obviously what we've got is the market failing, or sort of having sort of rolled over and sort of started to pull down back below 109. If it now starts to sort of hold on to 109 figure and pull higher, then you'd say that the selling pressure is not all that strong, considering the importance of that support at 108.11. So it's an interesting time, I think, for dollar yen. So we've got the near term chart, which, as I said, around 109 figure, which has been a bit of a pivot previously, but also, as I said, on a closing basis on the daily chart, so that is one to watch. We've just gravitated back towards that today. Fairly sort of neutrally configured on this hourly momentum, really. Over the course of the past few weeks, hourly momentum has been fairly much sort of oscillating between 30 and 70 on the RSI. MACD lines around neutral. So yeah, it's an interesting moment, I think, for dollar yen. Now you could, I suppose, I haven't done this yet, but draw in a downtrend. It's not too bad, is it? It's a pretty decent downtrend. So you could start to look out for that downtrend as well. Say, for example, if you started to break above that downtrend, that would again sort of suggest an exhaustion. But I think the market is going to be looking to use this sort of 108 to 109 area as a key medium to longer term pivot, and it'll be interesting to see if it holds. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.